Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com. Today I have another software product for you. This one is called CreativeAI from Akshat Gupta, my friend. And this one, in a nutshell, is an application that is fully powered by the Microsoft latest multi-model AI technology called CoDi and Kosmos 2.0. And this very application eventually turns your Alexa-like voice command into AI multi-model contents, AI videos, AI voiceovers, and AI multitasking bots, and basically everything you can think of, including, of course, a lot of other things that you can do. Let us visit the very creative AI dashboard so that you see exactly what it's going to do for you. Creative AI video, a creative audio canvas, that's what you have, storyboard AI, AI animation studio, and you have creative AI engine, AI companion, AI voiceover, AI maestro, AI Picasso for arts, 3D imagination AI, and AI character generator, AI music composer, and cinematic AI pro. So these are eventually all the things you are going to be able to create with this very amazing software from Akshat Gupta. And of course, the product is launching today, the 14th of July 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time. And of course, in Europe, that should be by 5 p.m. European time, and of course, in the UK, 4 p.m. British time. So that's exactly the time it's going to launch, and it's going to last for a period of 4 days, actually, from the 14th to the 18th of July, which means at any point you decide to buy this one, I suggest you use the first link below in my description area. That link will bring you automatically to this sales page where you are going to find a button like this to grab a copy of this, and you have certain discounts on the front end when you eventually do it as an early bird if you buy this product. So my name is Mike of the Mbadiwe. I do these reviews every other day to bring out products that are going to help you make money online. Today I have this creative AI from Akshat Gupta, and believe me, it's going to help you work online better and use your social media and all the videos that and voiceovers and all the contents you're going to create with this to actually get leads that will eventually turn to make money for you online. Okay, so if you stick with me, I will also show you the amazing bonuses that I have for you, and these are crazy softwares and training courses from gurus themselves that are going to help you in one way or the other do better online, especially when it comes to making money online, and also show you, of course, the dashboard area, which is exactly here, and I'm privileged to have access to this so that you can go through these very details one by one and see how we can make good use of this. Okay, for now, let us go and peruse through the very sales page and see exactly what Akshat Gupta says this is going to do for you in terms of benefits. The first one is that it turns your Alexa-like voice commands into multi-model AI contents. And with this very application, Creative AI, you can generate full Ultra HD AI videos in any niche of your choice. And that means having eyeballs on a particular niche, on a particular subject, on a particular strategy you have. So it's a crazy one. And then the third benefit is that it crafts eye-dropping AI storytelling videos. And you can generate AI avatar spokes video for your marketing campaigns, which means you can do like cartoon-like avatar videos that you can use in your marketing or whatever you have out there. Even news these days, you see people using avatar characters to create videos, and while the real people talk, these avatars open their mouths and it looks as if the avatars themselves are talking. So it's a crazy little thing that is operational now, which is going to be of great benefit to you if you know what I'm saying. So now it can also help you generate AI avatar spokes videos for exactly what I said before, generate captivating AI characters and cartoon videos, and get max attention from your audience, and inbuilt image animator, which will bring any normal image to life with just one click. And with this, you can craft celebrity taken AI videos and drive crazy views and traffic in no time. And with this, you can also generate unlimited AI voiceovers for your videos and marketing needs, which is crazily important, and compose AI music and video songs in any language that you want, craft eye-catching 3D videos as for your marketing campaigns and your creative, and sell unlimited HD AI images, arts, and graphics in just one click. With this also, you can generate a whole army of AI bots tirelessly working 24 hours, 24/7, non-stop for you, and fire all your expensive tools and services, and you can say goodbye to monthly fees. And this, of course, according to the vendor, has commercial license included. And with this commercial license, you can create and sell as many assets as you like to your own clients. And of course, it is beginner friendly and easy to use dashboard, which you have seen exactly, and you have 30-day money back guarantee. So that's in a general way what this very product is all about. And from this, you can have knowledge on how to strategize and make money and get the eyeballs on your materials online, which is the essence of actually working online, because without traffic there is no making money. And this is the incentive. You need to incentivize people who are trying to watch something entertaining online. You can capture them and of course often through make them get interested in whatever you are offering. So this creative AI is the new game changer of the AI world, and thousands of smart marketers and business owners are skillfully harnessing the power of this Spring AI to create and sell in-demand multimodal AI content, videos, animations, arts, graphics, and so much more. That means you have a business in a box where you will be able to have a space on Fiverr or any of the marketplaces where you can rent services and then have this service there and provide some of these images for people who are looking for it. Okay, so these are the very income proofs and of course beta testers of this and what they are saying. And you have 3 basic steps. Step 1 will be to buy this product using my link and give Alexa like command voice, and then step 2 will be you can generate by creating AI. The creative AI harnesses the power of Microsoft's latest AI tech CoDi and Kosmos 2.0 and generate high quality multi-model AI contents in no time. And then the third step will be to publish and profit. So that's about what you have there now. So in any case, I believe we have to give it a try here. Oh yes, sorry about the interruption. I had a call, and so I will leave the very perusal of this very sales page to you. But in any case, let us go down a little bit and see some of the characters that you can generate with this. You know, have you come across videos on TikTok or some of this other where you see people talking, a video like this talking? That's exactly the kind of instrument they used to do it. The kind of tool is exactly what you have here. You can see the kind of backgrounds you have. If you want to create cartoon, you can do so. If you want to create storytelling videos, you can do so. You can also do a whole lot. A human-like talking voice, which is like this one, which is AI produced, and the AI character videos. Everything is loaded with this, and I am very, very, very happy that this one is going this way, because I mean it is an indication of the fact that this is very latest, and you will be able to do so many things with this one, and you can read through this at your convenience when you eventually arrive here, because I don't know if you have all day to go through this reading it one by one, but I will leave that to you at your convenience. And this is what you avoid with this Midjourney. Takes this amount of money from you a year, and you have $789 for a year. This is what you pay, and you have $389 a year, and you have here $399 a year, $240 a year for ChatGPT, and you have also $350 a year for Stability.ai. And these are the kind of expenses you make on a yearly basis. But with this instrument, you are going to stop doing all of that. So that is exactly where we are going to have to take a look at other things we have, like the pricing and the bonuses for this one, so that you see exactly what you stand talking about the pricing. And then we'll go to the very down to the dashboard area. This is the button that gives you access to create AI videos. If you click on this link, it's going to definitely open up to another page where you will be able to create anything you want. Okay, with this very one, this is your history of the ones that is already created, and then you can actually creative AI videos. So these are examples of the videos that has been created with this one, and you can eventually do exactly the same. If you want to do for Facebook, definitely it's going to take you to another page where you try to create a video with Facebook. Okay, something like this is what you get, and you can filter, you can add audio, you can add images, you can add another video from your computer or anything you want to merge them together. You can always do that. And do here you have your layers. Okay, that's about what you have for the creative one. So if you go back now, you will be able to actually see the dashboard area and see exactly what you have there. This is the AI canvas for AI audio canvas. With this you can create your audio. With this you can create your storyboard AI and animation studio, and you have also creative AI engine and voiceover maestro. Let us see what this one says and see if we can do something with it. Text to speech. Okay, so if you have any language, you can choose your language here, like English US for example, and then you can write any text here and then choose the male voice or the female voice that you want. And then for demonstration purpose, we will not have time for that, but it's very simple, and you can preview with this very button. You can preview with this very button and synthesize your file. And then if you want AI voice, you can click this with AI voice, and then you can choose any of these male. Like for example, say, okay, let's say what is life without just life without. Okay, so now this is the female voice. We have chosen this male voice, and then you can also, let's see if we can move this to this place and see if we can generate something with this one. Okay, preview in 50 hours. If you click this, what is going to happen? Okay, this is it. This is exactly the video. And then if you can listen to it by playing it here, definitely it's playing, which is exactly what I just written. And you can download this video by clicking this link, and then you'll be able to download the video itself. Okay, we close here. Now let us go back to the very dashboard area and see. We can go through this one by one, but I will leave the link to the demo video of this product in action in my description, so that you see exactly what it happens. With this you can compose music, cinematic AI Pro, and you have 3D image AI creator. Okay, so that's about what you have. I'll leave the video to this very dashboard area, how it works, in my description, and then you can take a view from there. Now let us see the very bonus page of mine and look at the pricing for this product. The front end goes for $17, and you have access to this very software, which is this dashboard itself. And then of course you have the OTO number 1, which is the unlimited. It goes for $37, which will give you everything basically unlimited. You have this OTO number 2, which is the done for you edition. Everything is basically done for you. You pay $197 for that. And you have also this very OTO number 3, which is the creative OTO number 3, $27. OTO number 4 will be $37. OTO number 5 will be $97. OTO number 6 will be $47. Number 7 will be $47. And number 8 will be very $27. And number 9 $67. And number 10 $97, which I believe is the white label edition of this, which means you can sell this product and make use of it as if it's your own and keep profit across the entire funnel. Okay, so that's basically what you have. And now here you have my amazing bonuses. The first one will be Latitude, which is a unique and beginner friendly spin on push button profits with NFTs on blockchain exchange, and you'll be able to make money with that. Now you have this extension, Chrome extension application, that is going to help you crack the Twitter traffic by siphoning traffic from Twitter to your offer or link. And you have also the Insurgency, which is a complete training course on how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. You also have the Lazy Traffic Sniper, which is a training course that's going to help you make money by having free buyer traffic driven to your link or offer of your choice. You also have the JavaScript condition bot, which is a bot software that is going to help you make money online, 4 figures daily commission, because it's going to drive traffic to your offer. And we also have the lockdown formula, which is a beginner-friendly training course on how you can start online from the beginning and scale your business to $5,000 to $10,000 in a month. And we have number 7, the last one, which is the toolbox I call Commission Toolbox, that has over 1,000 links that will give you one capability or the other, including video editing, image editing, background remover, link shorteners, and the rest of them. You have everything there in this one box. Anytime you decide to buy this product using the first link below in my description area, it will bring you to the sales page where I told you to allow us this very link. If you click this link, it's going to take you to the sales, to the Warrior Plus account of mine, where you buy this product. After your purchase, under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks like this. This button gives you access to the CreativeAI tool, and then you have this one below giving you access to the amazing bonuses I have just showed you, and that will definitely gladden your mind when you do, because it is a very productive tool that you have here, which actually is putting out today, the 14th of July 2023 at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that will be New York time for you. And with that, I will encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. And this brings us to the end of this very review. I'll come back to you in my next. Till then, I remain your Mike on the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me from here, guys. It's goodbye.